Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best home bars are probably one of the most sought-after additions for anyone looking to elevate their entertaining space, transforming a simple living room or den into a sophisticated lounge perfect for hosting friends and family. Imagine the convenience and style of having your favorite beverages and glassware readily accessible, all within a beautifully designed piece of furniture that complements your home's aesthetic. From compact, space-saving units to grand, statement pieces, a home bar can significantly enhance your social gatherings and personal relaxation time, making it a worthwhile investment for creating lasting memories and enjoying a touch of luxury right at home. Number 5. TAILI 2-pack suction grab bars. Installing these grab bars is a breeze, thanks to their strong suction cups and locking latches. They provide stable support without any drilling, making them perfect for quick setup. Experience enhanced safety with our thoughtful design. An anti-slip strip on top and a curved wave pattern on the bottom ensure your hands stay firmly in place, offering double the protection. Each bar is built to last, supporting up to 240 pounds. Their waterproof construction ensures they remain sturdy and reliable, even in wet bathroom environments. These bars are ideal for anyone needing a little extra help with balance. They're perfect for seniors, pregnant women, children, and individuals with mobility challenges in bathrooms, showers, or kitchens. For optimal performance, please ensure these are installed on smooth, non-porous, airtight surfaces like tiles, 4 by 4 inches or larger, glass, or metal. They are not suitable for textured or porous walls. Enjoy the flexibility of easy removal and reusability. These grab bars can be repositioned without causing any damage to your walls, offering a convenient and practical solution. We're here to help. If you encounter any issues or if the product doesn't meet your expectations, please reach out to us for assistance. We'll help you find the perfect solution. What we like. If you need a reliable safety solution for your bathroom, this is a great option. It offers strong suction and easy installation without drilling. If you are looking for enhanced safety for seniors or anyone with mobility issues, this product provides peace of mind. What people say. When installed properly, they are very sturdy and provide comfortable grip in the hand. These adjust to any height and direction. I use them horizontal, vertical, and diagonally. These are great because I was trying to avoid having somebody drill into my shower for a bar. They are attractive and fit the color of my shower. The instructions are simple, easy to put up. They are quite stable and the suction is excellent. Number 4. VASAGLE Gold Bar Cart ULRC 090A03. This bar cart offers ample room for all your favorite drinks and bar essentials. Its generous size and shelf spacing ensure everything fits perfectly. Keep your delicate stemware and wine bottles safe and sound. With dedicated holders, everything is perfectly stored for your next gathering. Easily move it to wherever the party is with its convenient wheels. It can also be parked as a stylish side table when not in use. Elevate your space with its stunning gold frame, mirrored shelves, and chic handle. It's a beautiful addition to your bar, dining room, or kitchen. Setting up this serving cart is a breeze. All necessary parts, tools, and clear instructions are included for a quick and hassle-free assembly. What we like. If you love to entertain and want to add a touch of glamour to your home, consider this. Its mirrored shelves and elegant gold frame make a statement. If you are looking for a stylish way to serve drinks and display your collection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The sleek black frame combined with the mirrored shelves gives it a modern, elegant look that complements any decor. The wine holders securely store my favorite bottles, while the glass holders keep my stemware organized and within easy reach. Its mobility is a game changer. The wheels roll smoothly, making it effortless to move from the kitchen to the dining room or even the patio for entertaining guests. Number 3. KINGROW 23-piece stainless steel cocktail shaker set. Discover the ultimate cocktail shaker set, designed to equip you with all the essential bar tools for creating delicious drinks. This comprehensive kit includes everything from shakers and strainers to specialized tools and even a recipe booklet, making mixology accessible for everyone. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this set is built for durability and a superior drinking experience. It's resistant to rust and scratches, ensuring it remains a stylish and functional addition to your bar for years to come. Keep your bar essentials neatly organized and easily accessible with the included acrylic stand. This elegant solution not only prevents clutter but also showcases your tools, adding a touch of sophistication to your home bar. Elevate your home gatherings or parties with expertly mixed cocktails. This versatile set is ideal for both novice and experienced mixologists, providing the tools to impress your guests and enjoy a professional bartending experience. Looking for the perfect gift? This beautifully crafted bar set is an excellent choice for friends and family who appreciate fine drinks and elegant entertaining. Give the gift of professional mixology. We are committed to providing you with a top-quality product and excellent customer support. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. If you're new to mixology or want a comprehensive set for home use, this is ideal. It includes everything you need to get started, plus a recipe guide. If you want to impress your friends with homemade cocktails and keep your bar organized, this kit is for you. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent, and every piece feels sturdy and well-made. The tools are easy to use, and the set includes everything you need to make professional-looking drinks right at home. It looks elegant, works perfectly, and adds a classy touch to any bar setup. Number 2. Convenience Concepts Newport Serving Bar Cart 31. Discover the Newport Collection, a curated selection of furniture designed to enhance your living space. These pieces blend style and functionality seamlessly, making them ideal for any home. Available in multiple finishes, this collection offers the perfect complement to your contemporary, modern, or transitional home decor. Select the one that best suits your personal style. Enjoy generous storage with 4 spacious shelves, 3 stemware racks, and 2 drawers. It's designed to hold all your drinkware and cocktail essentials with ease. This stylish serving cart is incredibly versatile. It looks fantastic whether placed in your living room, dining area, or kitchen, adding a touch of elegance wherever it goes. Crafted with a faux marble serving top finished in smooth glossy melamine, cleanup is a breeze. This ensures it remains looking great with minimal effort. Setting up your new piece is straightforward. With the included instructions, assembly is quick and hassle-free, allowing you to enjoy it sooner. What we like. If you need a functional and stylish piece for your dining or kitchen area, this bar cart is a solid choice. It offers plenty of storage for drinks and accessories. If you like a modern aesthetic with practical storage solutions, this cart will fit perfectly. What people say. The materials are quality and the faux marble looks super shiny and real. Looks great and sturdy after fully assembled. Overall the piece was easy to put together and looks great. I have it on carpet and didn't need to secure it to the wall at all. Also, it's full. I loaded the bottom, marble table, and both upper shelves. As you can see it's very sturdy even with all my stuff. Number 1. Home Hero Bartender Kit, 22-piece cocktail set. Elevate your gatherings with this elegant bartender kit. It includes all the accessories you need to craft delightful cocktails, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. This beautifully crafted wooden stand not only organizes your bar tools but also enhances your home bar decor. Its sleek design complements any bar cart accessories. Combining sleek black and silver, this cocktail kit makes a stylish statement. Crafted with premium stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting use for all your mixing needs. Mix classic and modern drinks with ease using the helpful recipe book. It features 10 delicious cocktail recipes to enhance your drink-making skills. Packaged in a gift-ready box, this bartender kit is an ideal present for cocktail lovers. Celebrate any festive occasion and turn your gathering into a memorable event. What we like. If you're looking for a complete cocktail-making experience with an elegant presentation, this set is a great pick. The wooden stand adds a premium feel to your home bar. If you want a durable, stylish, and gift-ready bartender kit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The quality of the material is incredible, and it looks very elegant on my counter. It's a very complete set. The design is sleek and elegant, and the wooden stand gives it a classy touch that looks beautiful on my bar cart. It includes everything you need to make cocktails, and each piece feels high quality and durable. This is a beautiful set and has all the essentials you need. Everything is easy to clean and I haven't had any issues with leaking of the shaker or any issues using any of the parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.